In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you have to take to design this yacht. No, I'm not going to design this in this video. I'm going to just show you what tools you have to use and step-by-step process that you have to follow to design this yacht. Now, if you want the tutorial, first lesson of my tutorial for yacht, you can get it for free by clicking the link below. So, as you can see, we have this yacht. It's not a big one, it's a small one, but you can use the same process to build bigger one, okay? So I'm going to show you here, step by step, what I've done. So I'm going to scroll these back and then show you the process, what was the first, second, what tools I used, and all of these things. You can get also the free first lecture below on the link, and then you can continue from there. Okay, so we have this one. Let me just scroll these back. So this is it. We are at the beginning. So the first thing that we've done here, we just created these two surfaces, right? As you can see here. Now, how to create this? There are many ways how to do this. Like if you saw some tutorials about Yacht, maybe they're gonna create some 3D sketches and then try to make a surface out of this. I just want to simplify as much as possible to create this. So basically what I've done is just created two sketches, one here, right? And one down, and then I connected with a boundary surface. Just simple as that. Nothing much. So we have that. And also what I've done, as you can see, if I check out from this side, I trimmed this to get this a little bit incline here, right here and then here. So you can just create a sketch line and then just trim. Very simple. So as you can see here also below, right? So this is how it looks, this first step. So once you have that, you have to connect the bottom, right? So to connect the bottom, very simple. You just create sketches here. Like this. You have second sketch here. Okay, let me get out of the sketch. And then with a surface loft, you can connect this. And also here, surface loft, you can create a point here, connect with a sketch. You have guidelines here. You can turn this into 3D sketch and that's it. And you have this part. Once you have that, you can turn this surface into 3D body by using the tool Ticken. And also you create a surface here and also turn that into 3D part by using the tool Ticken. So we have that. Then after that, okay, let me just go one step before. Here we have swim platform, easy to create, not a problem. And then also here we have stairs, right? So you create a stairs here. Also extruder boss, just create a stairs. And then we create this part here. Now how to create this part? It's not so much complicated. You just create a sketch here and just have start condition with extruder boss, end condition, and just make this. And then also what you do, you just add fillets here to make it look more nice. So we have that. Then after that, here we have safety rails. We create it with a sweep, as you can see, right here. And then here we have this one here. Now, this one is a little bit more tricky how to create this. As you can see, that's perfectly aligned with the shape of our yacht here, right? I saw some tutorials and they show some, again, some complicated 3D sketches, a lot of sketch construction, a lot of planes and all of these things. But actually, I just always try to find the easiest, the fastest way and the simplest way to create certain things. And you can create this very, very simply, right? To get this part. You don't have to go with some complicated sketches or anything else. Basically what you do is, so let me show you. What I've done is, I created a surface here. So I can show you this surface, right? I created a line and then I extruded this surface. Then what I've done is, I created, so let me show you this. I created a sketch here, right? of this shape. And then with this sketch, I split this surface, right? And this surface has this shape, as you can see here. So once I split this surface, I turn that into 3D sketch. And once I turned that into 3D sketch, what happened is that I could use that for a tool sweep. And basically that's how I created this. Okay, let me show you. As you can see here, right? So this is that 3D sketch. And then I just added this part here to connect and this part here, use sweep, and that was it. So let me hide this. So let me get out of this sketch. And then also what you have to do, you have to add all of these sweeps here. As you can see here, you can just use different blade under the angle and connect all of these things, and then you can mirror to the other side to get this safety rail, right? And basically this is how it looks when you do this. After that, I went with this aft cap structure. Okay, so here we have seats. You can just extrude this. And then what I've done also from the inner side, I cut because here I created a window and I wanted to see the inside of this, as you can see. And also I added here safety rails. So you can see that also. So if I go here, you can see here safety rails. This one here. So once I finished with that, I started with the cabin, right? So I started with this. Just added some fillets, different types of the fillets, right? Variable fillets, normal fillets, and so on. So once I had that, then I was going with a console, so you can see it here, and steering wheel. Super simple, just extrusion, sweep, like not complicated tools, circular pattern. Then also I created a seats, also just extruded, boss, extruded cut, and as well fillets. And you can design this, you can go even more precisely to make this. And then also I created here axis below the deck. So below deck axis, you have the hole. And then also I created a ladder with a sweep, nothing complicated. As you can see, this is the ladder here, right? Then also with loft, I created this. I had here two sketches, guidelines, and then mirror to the other side. And then after that, I went with a roof. As you can see, this one here. So the first one was, so let me show you, was this, just using one line. Then I added this part here, this one here to connect this. Then after that, we added also this one here at the top. Once we have that, we were going with the windshields. So as you can see here, I added here windshields. And also I was using that surface loft. I turned this into 3D sketches, these edges. So use them as a profile and the guide curves on this one here, right, as you can see. So I added here, here, and here. And also here at the top, I added also window. And then as well, at the end, I added here also a cut, as you can see here, like this. And then also here, I turn that into window, whole window, this side as well on this side here. So basically this is how I created from the scratch. Now, if you want to make it bigger, you can just make it bigger. You can make cabin bigger, right? And then there's going to be bigger yacht. But basically this is it. If you want to create here also some details, you can put some details. So basically these are the steps that I took to create this yacht. And if you want to create your own, you can also just click the link below. You can get to the first lesson free access. See you in another video.